Lesson 3.1 If, Else, and Case. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will build one 4-to-1 max truth table in two styles, if, else, and case. Fill 3 TODOs. Verify why, if, and why case match for cells 00 to 11, then confirm pass. If, else, and case can describe the same combinational MUX behavior. The each chain uses a final else for cell equals 2-bit 11 after checking 00, 01, and 10. With a 2-bit cell, listing 00 to 11 in case cell is full binary coverage. Default is optional. The same inputs drive to always blocks, why if from if else and why case from case. Your TODOs are the first if condition, the final else assignment, and case test. Fill if cell equals 2-bit 00, else y if equals d, and case cell, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next rerun simulation. Compare y if and y case at every cell step, and verify both paths stay identical. Open simulation and press run. The log shows cell 00 to 11 with y if and y case matching each step, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP score and add the signals. On Surfer, watch y if and y case move together as cell changes. Yosys should infer equivalent max selection logic from both styles. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review if, else, and case both map cells 00, 01, 10, 11 to A, B, C, D. The test bench checks IS equals YRC case and prints pass only when all 4 selects match. That is if, else, and case. See you in the next lesson.